This is Clint from Versa. How did Versa perform in the Cyber Ratings 2022 Cloud Firewall Competitive Test? So Cyber Ratings is an independent, non-profit organization providing transparency and expert guidance on cyber risk through research and testing programs. They provide unbiased ratings that offer forward-looking guidance. Here are the report authors. This was the configuration tested. This is running Versa software version 21.2.3 in AWS with a 36-core virtual CPU and 72 gigs of memory in an extra large instance. This is a summary report showing the rating, so up to a AAA rating, which Versa, Juniper, and Fortinet all got, and then showing TCO per megabit on the x-axis. So Cyber Ratings measured Versa at 100% security effectiveness with the lowest TCO per protected megabit. Looking at security effectiveness, Versa is proud that we were measured at 100% security effectiveness and at the lowest price per protected megabit per second. Versa exceeds Palo Alto in security effectiveness, and Versa is 50% less expensive than Palo Alto and 40% less than Fortinet. And the Versa firewall is integrated into the Versa operating system, which also includes routing, SD-WAN, and multi-tenancy. This is looking at resistance to evasion techniques, and all vendors performed well in this measurement. In terms of stability and reliability, all vendors performed well. In terms of UDP throughput, Versa again performed the best of all the vendors tested. In terms of SSL TLS functionalities, most vendors did well. Cisco had a challenge as identified by Cyber Ratings in terms of supporting TLS SSL version 1.3. So that's the end of the Versa Cyber Ratings report review. The Versa operating system tested in this report is the data plane of Versa Unified SASE. VOS is the data plane for Versa Secure SD-WAN, and it's the data plane for Versa Security Services Edge. So what are Versa's SASE capabilities? So Versa does offer a modern, fully unified SASE solution that includes the modern SSE feature set, including Zero Trust, SWG, CASB, DLP, and also a modern, secure SD-WAN, Agile WAN with full integrated next-gen firewall and unified threat management. This is wrapped up with central orchestration, multi-tenancy, a single data lake for security and network, and managing security and network policies versus boxes, and it's 100% automation ready. So what are the core innovations that really make the Versa solution different than our competitors? So one, from our founding in 2012, we've merged the modern security stack and the modern network stack into a single piece of software we call the Versa operating system, or VOS. So anywhere an enterprise deploys this solution, be it a VM or an appliance or a Versa cloud gateway, you have a modern enterprise security stack, you have a modern enterprise network stack, and your multi-tenancy spans all Versa nodes on your network. Very few vendors have unified a modern network stack and security stack into a single piece of software. There are good network vendors, there are good security vendors. Versa is both a strong security solution and a strong network solution in the same data plane. In addition, Versa has disaggregated hardware and software. We are from the ground up built as a software-defined company. You can run this software in our public cloud gateways, on all major public clouds, all major hypervisors. We offer a family of appliances that ship with the VOS operating system installed and boot up as a Versa device. This includes low-end appliances with 2 integrated LT radios. It includes modern branch appliances with 10 gig Ethernet and multi-gig PoE. and includes high-end appliances that support 100 gig Ethernet and up to 16 ports of 25 gig Ethernet. In addition, we have white box partners such as Dell, who offer a full family of Versa certified appliances that ship with VOS installed and boot up as a Versa node, available through the Dell supply chain globally. So Versa allows you to run this same Versa operating system on a wide range of physical, virtual, and cloud platforms. We give you network appliance choice. This proved very useful during COVID. You could get appliances from Dell very easily during COVID. And you could scale the Versa data plane from entry-level appliance to 100 gig hub to multi-cloud. In addition, Versa offers the most sophisticated and powerful multi-tenancy of any SASE vendor. So in this example, we're looking at a typical enterprise that might have one tenant for the corporate network and a separate tenant for their operational network. And they may have physical sites, virtual sites up in AWS or Azure. They may be leveraging a Versa Cloud Gateway or gateways as their SSE solution, using our management solution on the cloud. And Versa multi-tenancy spans all branches, multi-cloud, and our SSE solution. So in this example, you could deploy thousands of Versa devices in a global network and still have a separate data plane for corporate and operational technology with different network policy, security policy, SD-WAN overlay, RBAC. So to be able to extend this multi-tenancy across all sites, multi-cloud, and SSE is extremely powerful and unmatched by any other vendor. And then Versa is also unified SASE management. So we have a new management portal called Concerto, which gives you a full unified SASE management platform. So you can now manage security, network, WAN edge, multi-cloud, all through a single pane of glass. You can build your security policies in Concerto and apply them at our cloud gateways, at multi-cloud, or at your branches. And you also have powerful SD-WAN configuration and management. This is all cloud hosted. And as we bring our new switches and access points to market, these will all be managed through our Versa Concerto management portal. You have found this useful? Thanks a bunch. Have a great day.